All right, coming through on the freight bypass. Hasn't been used in a while. FEC's 292. I hear the EMD motors roaring. So let's see who's on lead, because I'm wondering. We got an approach medium, no limited clear on the freight bypass. He's taking his time, I guess. He's not going as fast as I thought he was, but he's coming. Looks like an SD40 coming in hot. All right, see who it is. It is 415 GP 40-2, 716 on the back end. There we go. There goes the bottom, passing me at 928. BBT 609 here at CLEMATIS Street on the FEC Main. Have a safe trip to the crew of 292. Look, listen, and live. And don't be an idiot, because a triple track can triple cross you. Look, listen, and live. Good old faithful sound of a good old mechanical bell. Good bell. And I'm out.